Hello and welcome to Olibr. In the world of software programming, understanding data types is crucial. So let's delve into Python data types and explore their significance in programming. What is a data type in Python? In Python, data types categorize various values stored in variables. They determine what operations can be performed with the data. Python is dynamically typed, meaning the interpreter assigns data types based on the values stored in variables automatically. Data types in Python. Let's explore the standard data types in Python. Python data types include numeric, sequence, Boolean, set, dictionary, and binary. Numeric data types in Python. Numeric data types in Python represent numeric values. They include integers, floats, and complex numbers. Integers represent whole numbers, floats represent real numbers, and complex numbers comprise a real and imaginary part. Sequence data type in Python. Sequences in Python are ordered collections of data types. They include strings, lists, and tuples. Strings are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters, while lists and tuples offer flexibility in storing multiple values. Boolean data type in Python. Booleans in Python represent truth values, true or false. Booleans are used to evaluate conditions and control program flow based on logical expressions. Set data type in Python. Sets in Python are unordered collections with no duplicate elements. Sets are useful for storing unique values and performing set operations like union and intersection. Dictionary data type in Python. Dictionaries in Python store key-value pairs, offering efficient data retrieval. Keys must be immutable, while values can be of any data type, making dictionaries versatile for data organization. Final thoughts. Understanding Python data types is fundamental for effective programming. Remember, each data type serves a specific purpose, contributing to the richness of Python's functionality. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.